We just turned this around. These are from moments ago in Dubai in the UAE. This is catastrophic right here. These are unbelievable images of a fire at it's the Address Hotel. Authorities right now are on site trying to address this. But this is a luxury hotel in Dubai. You can see onlookers there. It's unclear right now what the situation is, if there are injuries. It's a 5-star hotel there, 63 stories, according to reports that I'm reading. And this is something that right now, 300 meters tall, this building. It's actually not far from the New Year's Eve fireworks display that was there in Dubai. We're going to continue, and this is actually new.
Arras Maida. Habis dapat building, dapat nak kira orang lagi tu mengamal kuasa.
अंदर मत घुसना, हम बता देंगे।